This is my first YouTube channel like face to face, and this is my first time. And I've been who don't know me, my name is Otis, and I've been living here in New Zealand for like 10 plus years. I came when I was 17 in New Zealand, and today I'll be showing you my GoPro 7 Black that I bought, and we would be looking at unboxing it, and I'll be giving you the price details, how much I bought it for, what's the warranty comes with, and more stuff. So let's go. So I received this parcel today, and I missed the parcel because the delivery boy came at 6:30 in the morning, and I might be in the bathroom or something like that, so he left the cart for me to pick it up. So I've just picked it up at 3:31 or 3 o'clock, because it takes half an hour like now to come home and settle down and do the unpacking. So his courier run was 8/15, today's date, and that's where I bought it from. So this is GoPro 7 Black. Comes with a lot of features, upgrade, so we don't need to buy gimbal stick or something like that to stabilize the videos. So I bought it for 560 New Zealand dollars. So we'll just do the unpacking of it. So I've just opened the pack up, and that's how the packing looks like, and that's our GoPro 7 in there. I'll just use a pen to make it really clear. So that's where it opens. Nice packing. These guys got the courier from Auckland to Palmerston North. They did a quite good job in the packing thing, and as you can see, it's totally packed. I'll probably use a scissor to undo the packing. So I'm making this video from my iPhone 7. That's a really old iPhone, and if the pictures don't come really good, please making bad comments, because I do know the camera is a bit outdated for this phone, but I'm trying my level best to bring as much as good pictures I could do while holding my phone at the same time, and cutting the package through at the same time. These guys have made really good packing, so it doesn't break. So that's the look of the GoPro 7. So that's the look of the GoPro 7, and I think that that's my tax invoice. As you can see, 556 New Zealand dollars. That's the address of the shop. I bought it online, so yeah, so you can see GoPro 7 Black, but I got free SD card, so it might be inside it, and I'll be quite happy to look into it, how the card looks like. And it does say that it has got a free SD card, so that's the top of a bonus thing. So if you want to buy this GoPro, visit Photo Gear shop. It's an online store. It's got a physical store in Auckland, but if you don't live in Auckland, you can order it online. I paid like $8 extra to deliver it to me, overnight delivery. So these are the features that comes with it. It's got a 12 megapixel camera, 4K, 60 seconds, 1080. That's quite good high definition. You can go underneath water up to 33 feet. slow motion, GPS, HD, live streaming, and hyper smooth. That's the hyper smooth is the main function that I was looking forward to into this camera. So I have to tear it up because I don't know anywhere how you can undo this thing with one hand and trying still to be look good. So I'll have to make it a crack like this. So that's the GoPro that we have taken it out. And that's how you, this is my first time releasing GoPro, so I don't know if I'm doing the correct thing or not, but that's how you take it off. Guys, this thing, the plastic cover is really important, so don't throw it away. The camera is inside and it's got a bit of a, what you say, bit of a rubber feeling towards it, but the thing is that you don't throw away this thing. It's really nice. And then I'm trying to open there you go. This one opened, so I'll be telling you what I've got inside the box. So as they said that we all get 32 gigs of SD card, so that's where it is. It belongs to SanDisk. That's the card. That's the holder. It's another holder. That's the battery that comes for, and that's the cable. So as you can see, nothing else comes with, just the instruction manual in the bottom. So not too much fan about the instruction manual. I did bought the rechargeable batteries for GoPro 7 Black 6.5, so they do have the same battery. This was $48, as you can see from the warehouse, and I did bought the travel kit with it. So it comes with tripod and a case. That's for $108. So I'll show you the battery. Pretty much the battery would be looking same like what the normal battery does look like. So that's the battery. So that's the battery for the extra one that I bought it for, and yep, that's the battery that the extra one for. And the other battery that I was looking for is this one. That's the original battery that I got from GoPro, and that's the battery that I got from the warehouse stationery. Looks really identical. GoPro looks really identical. So yeah, so now we will be doing the unboxing of the traveling kit and showing you what's there in the travel kit. that's the travel kit. So got a little tag on it on the side. So I'm just using one hand to hold my mobile phone and the other hand to do the unboxing, so it's not really pleasant way to do the unboxing. So here you go, that's where your GoPro sits, and that's the another case where it comes with it. So this is a rubbery case. It's more better quality than the GoPro gave you, a bit of a plastic feeling, but the real camera had the rubber feeling in it. And that's the tripod that you get. So it's basically a tripod like this that can be extended, I'm pretty sure. So that's how much the tripod extends to. So yeah, so that's the tripod that extends to, that's the travel kit. So I'll see you soon in my next video. So stay tuned, be happy, God bless you all.